Guys, my name is Amin and I'm a product manager who talks about product management. If you're into product management, so click on the subscribe button so that you get notified of the future videos. In this video, we're going to talk about product management. If you're in the tech industry, you might have heard about the term product management so often. But what do really product managers do, and who are they? Let me demonstrate the situation for you. Imagine that you're working in a tech company, so there are different or variety of departments, different people working on the product or project, maybe they say. Their engineering team, there is the marketing team, there is a sales team, there is an operation team, and so on. There might be many other departments depending on the type of industry you are in, depending on the type of product you are in, depending on the stage of your company. That might be also influential. So imagine you're working in a company. Okay, this company is going to create a new product. The new product, I mean that stakeholders come to the team, the design team especially, and they ask them, hey guys, we are going to have a product in this market. Let's say we're going to have a payment application, which is a money transfer application. We're going to let people transfer money from their bank accounts to other people's bank accounts in the country, not an international money transfer or remittance, they say. So what usually happens is that stakeholders come to designers. Designers get some input from the stakeholders. They go do their research, they do their homework, okay, they know what to do. And they finally come to the conclusion to have a product that has A to F features. They're going to have 6 features, for example. And they start designing. They start doing wireframing, doing sketches, and they finally come to a design that both has a good experience for the users. I mean, it creates a good experience for their users. How they understand it, I'll tell you later. And also, they make sure it looks great based on the company's guidelines, based on the user interface trends of the world, and etc. So they finally come to a well-designed product, really a well-designed product, because they do their job very good. And then the design team goes to the engineering team. They start talking about the product, they start talking about different scenarios, they go through different strategies, they go through different steps of the product. Designers tell the engineers, hey guys, we want this to look like this, and this is the interactions, this is the transition that happens between the pages, this is the messaging, this is the error handling, whatsoever. So they talk about everything, and now it's the turn for engineering team. They get a lot of input from the design team. They start developing. So imagine they're working in an agile methodology. So at the end of the sprint, it might take several sprints as well. So whenever the product is ready, they demo the product to the design team, and then there might be some back and forth because designers say, oh no, this is not what we wanted, we want it like this. They go back, they do their job, and finally the product is ready. So what's next? Now the product is taken to the marketing team, and marketing team starts thinking about, okay, how are we going to market this product to the customers? Because marketing is responsible of making sure customers know about your product, and bring them to your product so that they convert and you earn money, you gain credit in the market. So they go to users, they bring a lot of users. Okay, there are users in your product, they convert to customers, you're starting making money. What's next? Okay, everyone in the team is happy. Yeah, we created a product that is working, that is selling, and we're growing, in fact. So at this time, the design team goes for the next features. There might be other inputs as well. Well, operation or call center, which are the front face of the company with the customer, they might have received some feedbacks, they might have reported some bugs, so they're gonna resolve it, they're gonna design new things maybe, and they're gonna come up with new features and etc. And then this is the process that is happening over and over. Design goes to engineering, engineering goes to marketing, marketing to operation, operation to design, and this is a life cycle of the product. So this is a traditional way of doing things. In the current world, it's way different. Okay, now let me demonstrate a time where there is a product manager in the company, and you have put a product manager, one person or a product team, including several people, several product members. These people, okay, if I'm gonna say what does a product manager really do, I would say product managers are the representative of your customers. Product manager are the voices of your customer. In the current world, you cannot have a product that is not listening to your customers. Each product is created based on a problem, okay? Which means the product is giving a solution for a certain problem, and you as the customer, you want to solve your problem, you come to this solution, and this solution is given to you with several different values. We're going to talk about the product values in later videos, but now let me demonstrate a process where a product manager, who is the voice of your customers, is involved in the process of creating the product and growing it and going further and increasing your revenue, increasing your conversion, increasing your customer base, or etc. The process starts from here. The stakeholders of the company come to the product team and say, hey guys, there's a problem here, okay, the problem X, and we're going to have a solution for this problem. Did you see that? In the first step, it comes with a problem. Now it's the time for product managers to validate this problem. Okay, they go start talking to customers, they go start interviewing them, they go doing market research, they go see the competition, they go see the competitors, what they're doing, and then they come up with some solutions, which every solution has a value inside. I mean, it is absolutely essential to have value when you're providing a solution to a problem. So they come up with product specifics, which is really bringing value to the customer. So now I'm doing it. I mean, I'm talking very short because it's not gonna be talking about everything in this video. I'm just doing to give you the holistic view of what a product manager does. So they come to the design team and say, hey guys, we have validated a problem, and there are several solutions for them, and we think these number 1 and number 3 solutions are the things that we can offer to the customer so that they're happy with their solution for that problem. So they start talking and talking, they start doing their own homework, which is doing research again, creating MVPs of the product. MVP is a minimum viable product. It means product managers never wait until the whole product or the complete product is created to give it to customers. They start creating MVPs, which we will talk in next videos about MVP. They create MVPs to check if this solution really satisfies the customer's problem and the customer is really happy with that. So they don't stop, they don't wait until the whole product is ready. They create their own product. It might be a sketch, it might be a presentation, it might be a flyer, giving it to customers to get their feedback. It might be a phone call even, or it might be a fake website to get subscribers to see if they like this product to be solving their problem as a solution. So they start validating their solution now. You know what? Because they have validated the problem, it's time to validate the solution. So they come to the design team and say, hey guys, we have validated it. Now we're more certain about the solution being useful, being really satisfying to the customer. So the design team starts doing his job, which is now creating a good UX for that, or good UI, user experience and user interface, based on everything that they do. So next, they go to the engineering team, and now the product manager still goes to product engineering and start talking, hey guys, this is the problem, this is the solution, this is what we're gonna do, this is what we expect to happen. And then the development process will finish by the end of the sprints, whatever. And now, during that time, the product manager or the product team has been sitting with the marketing team to show them what the end product would be and talking about everything. I mean, product and marketing start talking about the problem, the solution, the value they're giving to the users, and they will find a better ways and more optimized ways and more efficient ways to market the product, because this product is bringing value. So it's easier to sell it when the product is yet another product, another product like other products in the market. So they go get feedbacks, they maybe start some small campaigns to see the feedbacks of users, and then whenever the product is ready, they start the marketing. They bring users to the product, and it's the next step for product managers. It's time to see what's happening. Okay, we have given this solution to a large number of customers now, large number of users. Maybe they have not converted to customers yet. So they say, okay, let's run some analysis. They use a lot of tools depending on the product, on the industry you're in, or on the type of product you have. There might be different product analysis tools. They go talk to their customers, they interview them, they run some analytics, they run some surveys to get more and more input from customers. Okay, this is the whole cycle. What's next? What do product managers decide to go on? Okay, this is another difference from the previous scenario. In the previous scenario, designers have received some input from the operation team and then say, okay, next we're gonna have this feature. But this time, no. Product managers do not release features as they want. They will listen to their customers, and that is the difference. So let's put ourselves on the shoes of a customer. You're a customer and you have a problem, so you're searching in App Store, imagine, and you get to these products, product A and product B. Product A is a previous scenario where there was no product manager in the team. You come to the problem, you come to the product and say, okay, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna see how it's solving my problem. You start working with the product and you see, okay, it's solving my problem, but there is something missing. I think I hope it had this one. I hope it could work this way. And maybe you stop working with this product. You go back and choose the other product, and then you start working with it. And then there might be some wow moments. Wow, this is helping me do it faster, do it easier, do it more efficient. And you see that there are improvements day after day in this product. So you get to love it. And that is because a product manager has designed this product for you as the customer, not designing a product for the stakeholders of the company. That is the difference when there is a product manager and when there is no product manager on the team. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope I could help you understand the role of a product manager in the company, and the examples I have given have demonstrated these situations well for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you so much, and go for the rest of videos.